Hey guys, what's up? I wanted to update everybody on the Ranger. So, as of now, we have the transmission seals replaced, both sides. I don't know if one of y'all could tell me maybe in the comments, which would be great. Why do I have this? It doesn't even have a plug for this. This transmission is what came out of this Ranger. They may have put a different one in it. I thought that might be one of those like to where you can have turf mode or not turf mode. And I mean, but there's no plug to it, so I don't know. I hooked a 9 volt to it, got it to shoot out, but it doesn't grab anything in the diff either or do anything when it goes out. I don't get it. If y'all could help me with that, I'd appreciate it. So we got that to install. We also have the engine over there to install. So I cleaned up everything. It's all ready to go in. I'm gonna probably hit it with the air hose one good time and try and drop this transmission back into it first, and then I'm gonna have to get someone to help me out and throw this motor in there and work on aligning it with the transmission. So this will be my first try at this. If anyone could help me, if there's anything I should maybe do, prep, help me out. I'd appreciate it. So, and then we'll throw the clutches back on after we use the alignment tool from STV. We'll use that. We'll snug everything down in it and hopefully it'll start. So, like I said, we're getting close to that point. But just a short little catch up vid. Get everything all cleaned up, painted if you want, whatever. Took everything off, so it's wide open. Might hit it with some paint too. But anyway, so if y'all would hit that like, subscribe if you haven't already. And from us over here at Alpha Pack, we thank you. And we will check y'all later. Till next time.